I really look forward to learning from Professor Paramjeet throughout the course because I think he will bring in new perspectives and insights. I think he will not only help us understand the material in the course but also how to apply it to real world problems and challenges. I really look forward to learning from his knowledge and experience throughout the entirety of the course.
Professor Anupama Sharma has taught us a lot. We've had her for just about a semester, whether it's been criminal law, it's been civil law. There's a lot of passion and love for the subject and a belief in it. But more importantly, the belief is not just in us scoring marks or being good at the administrative capacities that we're learning, but it's in us. And there's a lot of empathy and love that she's shown for us, which really sets her apart from a lot of other professors. And without that, I don't think the teaching process is really complete.
To our dear Prashant sir, our legal methods teacher, thank you so much for showing us that law isn't just about statutes and precedents, but it's about people, justice and humanity. Your passion for human rights, especially refugee and intersex rights, shows us that law is a heartbeat, and we, as future lawyers, must always learn to listen to it. Your guidance, encouragement and kindness is so important to us and means the world to us. Thank you so much for being our teacher, and we look forward to learn with you for the next 5 years.
Professor Vishwas has always been supportive of all of us, constantly encouraging us to do better. Throughout year 1, attending Professor's lectures allowed me to gain a balanced perspective on life. His simultaneous emphasis on the need for academic discipline and the need to take breaks made me realize how consistency is developed in a law school journey. Further, attending Professor's classes helped me understand contract law as a dynamic, lively aspect of law and not a dull, mechanical one. His use of visual aid tools like infographics truly facilitated my understanding of contract law. I truly respect and admire Vishwas, sir.
Professor Kaveri took my college interview and I was really unsure and nervous at that time. But the way she spoke to me, she was so generous and kind, and that really put me at ease. And again, I met her at the very first day of my college, and she was so kind and approachable as I remembered during the interview. And it was very nice of her, that small moment of kindness during the interview, and that really means so much to me. And happy Teachers Day, Kaveri ma'am.
One thing that I truly admire about Professor Anand is how effortlessly he connects with all of us students. He doesn't just teach us from the books, he in fact teaches us from real life experiences. He has made the most complex terms in finance so easy for us because he connects it to almost everything happening around us. We have had small examples of where he goes into digressions, which are those things that we truly love because they make it so memorable in his class. He is always there for everyone. We can go up to him for the most smallest classroom doubts to the biggest issues we are facing in life. For me, Professor Anand is not just a professor but someone who I look up to.
One piece of advice given by Professor Anupama during the panel discussion that has stayed with me is that resilience and dedication are the very foundations of being a good lawyer. She warned us, that too quite candidly, that once you enter the law field, your social life may just cease to exist. She's shown us the importance of going with the flow, being open to various opportunities, and tailoring our CV to diverse fields. Her own shift from criminal law to humanitarian law is proof of balancing passion with practicality. And of course, she reminds us that grades and clear basics matter. And like she says, that even though lawyers may not have work-life balance, at least we'll always have case balance. Thank you for your insights and reality check. Here's wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.
As a member of the founding batch, courses like corporate law are essential for us since the knowledge that we gain in terms of practical insights from our internship are supplemented with the theoretical insights that we get in classroom, which is why I look forward to learning more about navigating through complex regulatory frameworks and understanding real-life corporate legal issues through Professor Anandita.
I haven't had the chance to meet my mentor, Professor Shireen Mirza yet, but as a first year who was anxious about leaving home, I asked the seniors about her. What I heard was she was very warm, considerate, and that was very reassuring for me. And I was told she was someone you can turn to whenever you're homesick or overwhelmed. I also admire how she balances out her work life and her home life with such dedication and grace. That is something I hope to learn from her as I begin my journey here.
As a first year BBLLB student, Principles of Management is a new subject for quite a lot of us, and Professor Supriya truly understands that. She makes sure to teach every topic at a pace we all understand and grasp, all the while making the lectures super engaging and interactive. She gives us these class exercises which are the perfect blend of theoretical concepts of marketing along with fun real-life examples and scenarios. What I like the most is how she makes the class feel welcoming and easy to be part of. All in all, she's a super sweet and a friendly person, and a happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
I'll be speaking about Professor Sheetal Shinde, who teaches me family law. I remember approaching the first class of family law and expecting a heavy and complex subject, one that I thought was probably only about reading the law and memorizing it. However, I was pleasantly surprised because not only was the first class not just a lecture, but it was filled with discussions and activities, which had never happened before. And I think that's what makes Sheetal's ma'am's classes so engaging and so interesting, because ma'am doesn't just show us the law and the case behind it, but she also helps and encourages us to question the law, understand different ways of application, and also understand how those consequences of those applications would play out. I think this perspective is really helpful not only to me but to all of our batchmates, and look forward to seeing what more classes bring to us. Happy Teachers' Day.
Although it's been only a month since I know Professor Saifuddin, he already makes me feel very valued in class because of the way he respects our time and effort. He's very disciplined, and that makes me feel like he takes both the subject and us very seriously. He teaches his concepts very well, which motivates me to do the best in class. Pro tip, if you want to get on his good side, take him to eat butter chicken. Thank you, Saif sir. Happy Teachers' Day.
3 weeks in, and Professor Akhil Katyal is already one of my favorite professors on campus. He has his uncanny ability to make students feel heard, seen, and valued for their opinions, thoughts, and ideologies, which is why I think that the only reason Akhil Katyal sir's class feels so welcoming and positive is him himself.
Professor Sonalini has played an integral force in shaping not only my mind but also that of my peers, and nothing compares to the joy and brilliance of the discussions we had in her class. If I had to describe her in 3 words, it would be irreverent, ingenious, and charismatic.
In the 3 years of law school, Chinmay sir has given me one piece of advice that stuck with me throughout all these years, and that was in year 1, Sem 1. This was during a trip to the Kanheri caves, where we discussed about a mutual love for theatre and films. And this was when he asked me to open my own theatre society. And that led to the Sem 3, where we opened the IZAR, the Theatre Society of BITS Law, for which I am the vice president. Thank you, Chinmay sir, for guiding me throughout and always believing in the fact that I could run a society. Happy Teachers' Day.
I'm going to talk about Anubhav sir. One thing what I've learned from him is to ask questions whenever you think that there are various interpretations of a particular question. He taught us constitutional law. As it is a very broad subject, whenever we had a query, he used to always be available in his cabin. There was no particular office hours per se, which helped many of us, especially me and also probably the future batchmates, that whenever there is a question, you can ask him and he'll always give you a very good answer for you to understand the particular topic better and also to look further. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
So one of the many moments that I can think of where Professor Gitanjali motivated us to do our best would probably be the client counseling exercise which we had with her last semester. She encouraged us to think like lawyers and not just as law students, and to put ourselves into the shoes of clients who would approach us with their problems. She allowed us to think of the assignment as a real working day in the life in our future. So I'm really grateful to her. Thank you, Professor Gitanjali, and I hope you have a wonderful Teachers' Day.
I feel truly fortunate to have Rahela ma'am as my teacher. Her teaching not only reflects clarity but also a lot of dedication. One thing about her is even when half of the week's classes get suspended or cancelled, she is going to finish the week's reading in just 2 sessions. And the way she does it is that each and every one of us is able to understand the concepts. So thank you for that. Her passion for the subject is what actually makes the class truly alive. And that actually inspires us to engage in the class with a lot of enthusiasm. I look forward to learning so much more from her under her guidance. And I just want to say thank you to her for making our 8:30 a.m. Monday classes into something we actually look forward to. Thank you, ma'am.
For me, Teachers' Day is the perfect day to thank Professor Satyendra for the impact he has on me. He has been much more than an English teacher. He inspires us to think deeply, express ourselves freely, and embrace new ideas. What I really admire the most is how inclusive and open-minded he is, making every student feel truly valued. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day.
One quality of Professor Shivani ma'am that I would like to have is her wit and eloquence and her ability to make every contact case so memorable that you could never forget it. I would love to learn how well she articulates her points and how well every case stays in our mind after listening about it from her.
As a first year BLLB honours student, Professor Mrunmayee is actually making a real difference in my life. She not only teaches us about the past, but also helps us understand the present and envision the future at the same time. She brings historical events and figures to life through interactive lessons and encourages us to analyze and interpret various historical events, which helps us develop our critical thinking skills, which is a quality every lawyer should possess. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Professor Mokshda Manchanda is a perfect professor one can have for literature and self-expression, because she is a teacher who goes beyond simply explaining the text. Rather, she helps you gain deeper insights into it. She is a professor who brings vibrance into black and white texts. She is a teacher who lets you understand and have greater insights into literature and widen your perspective about it. She understands the students really well, not just their answers but also their silence. She is a professor who notices your small efforts, however tiny, and converts them into motivation to do better. Thank you, ma'am, and happy Teachers' Day.
He has taught us international relations in such an engaging and refreshing way that it never felt like just another subject. But one thing I wish Professor Mushtaq knew is that how much he has impacted me beyond the classroom, because I think he has made me more confident and stronger in the way that I think and express myself. And another thing is that it has meant a lot for me that he has also been a professor, but more than that, he has also been a friend, and he has made learning feel so much like safer, enjoyable and refreshing, and that's something I'll always carry with me.
Being a third-year law student, our batch had the privilege of learning from Professor Meghna Ghosh for 2 courses straight. And the best part about her teaching is that she creates this stress-free environment while also ensuring that the class is engaging, and we have the privilege of actually going to her and asking her doubts, and she's always been very encouraging about these open discussions.
With Professor Shandi, the challenges of daily life of the students is survivable. The drowsy mornings feel lively through the energy that he carries the class with. The thought-provoking one-to-one interaction that he focuses on not only helps us cope with history, but general academic baggage that we carry. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all our teaching and research fellows. Honestly, we know we don't always make it easy for you with endless doubts, late-night emails, and continuous backlogs completing up, piling up. It's a great thing seeing you guys teach half the batch asleep and bring us back to life in less than a minute of classes starting and tutorials beginning. We hope to see you in class throughout the 5 years. Navigating through law school would be a nightmare without you guys.
I'd like to take this moment to appreciate the great administration staff that we have here at BITS Law School. Their attention to detail, their dedication, and their organization skills keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes, often without applause, but never without impact. We truly appreciate everything that you do, every single day, every single moment.
When I first heard Dean Dr. Ashish Bharadwaj talk about BITS Law School, what I imagined was the excitement and the energy of Mumbai. But what I instantly found was the peaceful and the calm Kamba campus, a campus that grows within you. As a fresher, it does feel overwhelming and heavy. But the way Sir talks about law, it doesn't feel like a subject. It feels like a roller coaster that you would really want to take part in. From the day one, he has made us feel so welcomed, so guided, and a part of a bigger family. Sir reminds us that we are where we're exactly supposed to be. So thank you so much, sir, and happy Teachers' Day.